Hello dear traders, you're watching the calendar of the latest economic events with me, Anna Kasatkina. In the latter half of the week, two central banks will announce their interest rates decisions. Thus, on Thursday, the Bank of England is to disclose its further monetary policy. Most experts anticipate the UK benchmark interest rate to remain unchanged at 0.5%. At its previous meeting, the British regulator left interest rates at a record low of 0.5%. It pledged that rates will not go up as long as the unemployment rate remains above 7%. According to the Bank of England, it is unlikely to happen until 2015. However, taking into account the latest data, some analysts say it may happen this year. Meanwhile, the Bank of England Governor Mark Carney says that unemployment at 7% will not lead to an automatic interest rate rise. The bank's Monetary Policy Committee would be looking at the overall labour market conditions before taking a decision. Right after the release of the Bank of England statement, the European Central Bank will announce its interest rate decision. Experts say the regulator's main interest rate would remain unchanged at 0.25%. At its prior meeting, the Governing Council of the ECB made the same decision. At the same time, deposit rates stood at 0%, while the marginal lending rate was held at 0.75%. The ECB President Mario Draghi said their monetary policy stimulus will remain for as long as necessary. Given the decline in inflation observed recently and the general weakness in the European economy, the rates will remain at current levels for a long time. In the meantime, the US is to publish data on its December trade balance on Thursday. Economists forecast a trade deficit at $35.8 billion. In the preceding month, the US trade balance dropped to $34.25 billion, decreasing by 13% from the deficit in the previous month. Meanwhile, the figure confounded experts' expectations for a deficit of $40 billion. Exports rose by 0.9%, while imports declined by 1.4% from the previous month. And that was a rundown of the key economic events for this week from InstaForexx. Thank you and goodbye.